Race number 5 picking up speed. Here they come. They're off and pacing. Sky McFly has made a break just as the gate gets away. Sky McFly is on the run. The breaker behind the gate, if you're happy, made the early miscue. Minding Manners the other 8 as they go into the first turn, and it's all systems go for PL Fighter as he charges out for a piece of the lead, but here up alongside him now and on by goes the Riddler. And the Riddler strikes the front from McNair, who hustled him to the top through a quick quarter here of 27 2/5 seconds. PL Fighter back in the pocket position from in second. Hidden Potential is right there from in third. A stalking fourth is Gutsy Greg, then back there racing fifth is Goban. 6 towards the inside, 4 Celestial Dreams. Tracking that one 7th is Lumiere. 3 more lengths back towards the inside. The first time Lasix user there, Deo El Grande. That one being tracked by the gate-breaking Sky McFly. And if you're happy, he's not a happy camper back there 10th after his early problems behind the gate. A nightmarish start for him. 56 2 for the opening half at 29 seconds. Second quarter breather. Into the far turn, the Riddler is going to have to pick up his speed now as he's got somebody knocking on the door. That's Larry Small first over now with Hidden Potential up to the leader's saddle pad as they swing into the final 3/8. Right there in the pocket spot third now, that is PL Fighter. Stalking fourth outside is Gutsy Greg. Then it's Goban to the outside from in fifth. Tracking cover to the outside 6th is Celestial Dreams. Lumiere shooting through 7th at the cones. Then it's back to Sky McFly. 3/4, 124 4, top of the stretch. And it's the Riddler. The Riddler by a pair of lengths now. Scoots away coming into the stretch. Second towards the inside, that is PL Fighter. Up off cover, good looking speed from Gutsy Greg. Gutsy Greg is closing up. It's going to have to make up 3 lengths here if he wants to catch the Riddler. And the Riddler looks pretty serious on the front end tonight. The Riddler chased home. He leads by 3, and it's still the Riddler. The Riddler to score at 4-1. Second best on the outside was Gutsy Greg. Lumiere came on for third. 1:52 the mile time, and it was the Riddler.